San Jose Search Engine Strategy, and Nicole Adams is with SearchMe. Nicole, what's your title there?
I'm a marketing representative.
Okay, now tell us about SearchMe.
So SearchMe is a new visual search engine. There's 3 different components, but very quickly, A, we're visual. B, our little tag thing is find, organize, share, which means that, let's say you have a favorite artist, I don't know, what do you like, Beastie Boys?
Beastie Boys, Biggie,
Okay, so
Jay-Z.
go to our site, type in the query, pick his favorite, you know, Biggie or Smalls or Lil Wayne, somebody like that. Click video and it'll just stream videos. They're all from YouTube. They also have Flickr photos. Basically, you can drag and drop it into a stack, which is like a visual bookmark. And basically, you could actually send it out to all your subscribers. You could build your own stack.
So people can like follow you, or?
Absolutely.
Wow, nice. So it's kind of like we were talking about, kind of like the iTunes flip kind of through stuff.
Right, it's like a cover flow, but it's on a search engine. So we basically indexed the entire web, mapped it out, disambiguated, that's a big word, right? Made it simple.
So you guys are taking down Google.
You know, we are just really excited to be in the search space.